forgo the interview because of Captain Smart and also to promote the Hogbetsotso air for the airborne people and stuff like that. Beautiful. Because Bola tell me, say, I forgo the interview for them. If I go this one, I know we'll do any other one. Maybe any other one say it will be phone call or something. I said, oh, cool. Go, no interview. No, we they go greet chief and things because I get show evening. I go tired, go greet. The ebony people, they only contracted me to come and do a show, performance. Again, I go sing that song for you. The interview people won't make I do them for a cry. The money we are on self, I don't get. But because of respect, through a godfather. Kita did the room with me, and I know say, did they watch it? Say, I like true. I like true money. Where am I see my fans? I like true money, but my feeling, no tell me say make a true money. 1, 2. And they see I'm like, why we catch the time? Say we with the room for the town. I don't understand. I don't understand with the room because the room with the room, nobody knows it. Then we wanna converse because the whole lot of that's ask them that question. Say, be this I tell you from a cry before we catch here. They say one of the organizers or whatever we they part of the show people say me. If I no go come the radio station, then they no go take me go my hotel. That be one. Bam, bing, 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 bing.
Mama akwaba emra power extra jumedi so sene da aye no ne trend wo social media nko ana ye de ebesom yetutu ne sre ene abasa ne ache sene be ye obia ebenya ne de ene ye wo Shatta Wale so the dance hall king Charles ni ama ye nyine be kaya last week was Hogbetsotso semamoni ya mese mu fancheme afahye na Shatta Wale was built to come and perform but due to 1 or 2 reasons, or Jessica ne but wambushu no because of say omu breachy contract. Because of say omu breachy contract na omu ne Shatta no. But rumors about no Shatta Jessica wa me perform but this time Shatta Wale about one thing. Abema breakdowns of whatever went on. Na busuan ye nche ho no. Ode yenko na yenko tie Shatta Wale anu masem yentie Shatta nsem no ne how anema koe nyina se wutie we na se Shatta ne difa leave a comment every no say always no subscribe to channel no na mon click on the notification button say ne be ya any news be update be no also obey first to get it
just in the sense that sometimes when we deal with matters happen. I write on my Facebook right now, the word research for Ghana. The word research for Ghana. We know they use some word. Research. To research about something, to research. Why are you? Should I be checking out I'm not keeping now? And then peace in the share. Peace share. Sometimes when matter happen, then everybody just wake up. Then everybody want to talk in mind. That boy, I go for to come away say, "Si come pedidi no, mu pedidi. Obia, I want to talk something, make people understand. Somebody we had to go do my show. We matter happen. Gentlemen, trainer along here, be beautiful. Many like me. Oh. Sometimes matter happen. We you put for research about the matter. Nobody they research you, but they see Shatta Wale like, oh, I be Shatta there, oh, I be Shatta there, so, oh, Shatta there, oh, Shatta there. Bad man, if I know they think, I don't go to chop like this for you put your front, make people they watch me like, hey, I chop for by side. Hey, Gala rice. When we go America already there, gala. Why people know they like research about Shatta Wale? They smart, you know, people want paint Shatta Wale black because I be blacky. I tell people say, man be half caste, so people no one buy that one. But I don't mind because when you want to bring that, I be half caste. Because take pen and paper, make people write this one down. Cardi B in Ghana show. Since people like blog about me I know the blog. Make I teach you because everybody tell me say, you do I make I teach them how I do this music thing. So take pen. Number 1, Cardi B show. Today I don't want to shout because when I shout we are the talk, people know they hear. So I will talk slow, make people hear. Well, my brain in the sense that I tell people in the sense that if they talk about somebody and the person still they make them people they talk about them every time still. How they feel? Let me say God sleep. God no sleep. That was number 1, Cardi B show. Number 2, Wonderland. Then they go to the Westland sir. Wonderland show. Make people put that one down. Wonderland. Put them down now. So see, when I talk where I forget the episode, you will remember me. Wonderland show. Then number 3, Hogbetsotso. Hogbetsotso show me recently. I go there. Maybe we'll go. We'll go with number 1. I don't want to waste people in time. Number 1. So I don't know what you say. I chop with my baby. It be so we chop for Ghana. It be so we grow. Forget your fucking knife. Somebody can't chop with fucking knife. It did that way. You don't know because you go dinner. When they say they can't chop with fucking knife, they go chop with fucking knife. Before they go chop finish, the knife they here. He die, kill himself. Because he knows a knife, they take kill chicken and things. So he has to see the knife now. He don't use them, he kill himself. Masa. I'm jamming, I mean, feel free, I mean, living my life. It's very important. Let's go back to business. So number 1, Cardi B show. If you people want to learn, then relax and listen to me so you can learn. If it be foolish for you, take out my life, but it will not be foolish for me. I had a contract with Cardi B, the promoters of Cardi B show. They wanted to do a show. They wanted to do a show at the stadium. Put a stage in the middle of the stadium and knock the show. So say yeah, the crowd all go full and things. But as a good somebody with my eye day ground where you are the steady things, I tell them say, hey, what you put they gonna do, Charlie? Unless if we Ghana here, nobody do that show for stadium before, unless rally. If not be MPP, they do rally for there, or NDC, or maybe Pastor Mesa Otabil, or Pastor Chris. I tell you something, make people write this thing down. Or Duncan Williams. Or Bishop Aguinasari. We've never had a show like that at the stadium. Okay, or Asante Kotoko has a play match. We've never had a show like at the stadium Why I see the whole place fill up for one artist before. I know some of the whole stadium, the circle fill up. Every time we fill up, one side, one side, one side, one side. Sometimes they go outside, they go talk say, oh, if the authorities for the stadium will, they know one because the grass and things go spoil. Yeah, we understand. They do shows for stadium. So that if you can put the state for the stadium, maybe you go past if you go past the post more or something, then it look like the back or sometimes be dark. But man, 360 we don't have them before. So I spoke to these promoters and told them that I want us to put it in an agreement. Yeah. If they don't make that target way they go make and the show go look some way, still I'll take my money. And then if the show flop, I can't come and perform. But I'll still take my money. That is an agreement. I repeat. I told them, see, what they want to achieve. If they don't feel achieve one, me, I don't mind. If it's them way they have that, the mindset of creating that thing and the stadium, yes, I understand. But if that's not happen, where the slow flop, me, I will take my money. We came to an agreement. All of you, they gonna see how Cardi B show will go. Because the next one too, I told them, say, the ticket price where did they charge for the stadium? Once again, the history of Ghana. I never saw before. You go do slow for stadium, they want to charge 800 Ghana cedi, 1,000 Ghana. Ghana with the tire. So if you come here with somebody can lie to you, say no, we can achieve it, and go listen to that Ghanaian. It will disgrace you. They do the show. The show no go well. It was an agreement. They even say, Charlie, I think I know him before, because the way should go, you know, like. And shout out to that promoter. I forget the name small, I get a name from my phone. He be Ukman. He and Becca, her husband. They respected me as an artist. And because the show no come on, the rest of my money, I charge them $100,000. This boy don't know business, don't know your worth. If I call money and somebody will talk, say, listen, this is what I talk about. They pay me part payment, $50,000. The rest of my money, $100,000. Of God. If this artist know the guy, this artist know the guy. My guy, oh, the rest of the money. After the show no come on, this woman was so respectful, was so professional, was so educated that he knows that this is how you deal with an artist with a professional agreement. Even though she called me on the phone and she didn't sound good, she was crying because people liked one for Ghana here. See, they for do the show like this. Shout out to Becca, her husband. He put me on. Himself, he understood the agreement. Tell me, Shatta, no, we'll still give you your money. I know what you're I should go on. But after the show not go on well, they were so respectful. And they gave me that money. Bulldog where the same man go take their money from me. So Bulldog go take that money from me. That money said I give them $12,000. I need to forget. I say they pay me part payment of $50,000. But because of the agreement we me and them get, as I no go the show. So when you put the talk, because you know the research, nobody they make no Ghana media man, paparazzi, you know the only paparazzi kokosarazi. Then everybody start talk. Why Shatta don't come to show? Shatta no more before dealing with town. Shatta before dealing with town. Why if you say be who? Have you said who? I know agreement pass you. Agreement is agreement you. The Sophia is song at the same. Agreement is agreement you. Without reason for settlement, you don't dey tell me nonsense. Agreement is agreement you. Agreement is agreement you. I go play for you to make it go. Agreement is agreement you. You see, without reason for settlement, you don't dey tell me nonsense. Agreement is agreement. Big ups to that woman who bring Cardi B come Ghana. She was so professional. She respected the brand Shatta Wale. She respected my craft and made sure the agreements we will get, she fulfilled them. God bless them. Even Nigerian woman, where they say they do shows for Nigerians, yeah, she sounded professional. After that show, people they talking why Shatta Wale no come. We say Shatta Wale go take money. Shatta Wale they do for deal with that. Shatta Wale they for me. Shatta Wale they want. Because you don't research once again. So mukasa. Anything I go for the Becca is a sika empedi sika. You know like Didi. Sika empedi. Everybody they talk and story. Hey, are you part of my agreement? Are you part of my agreement? Make we put that one aside. So I finished with that one. Let's move to Wonderland. I'm telling you guys something that you don't know. Because sometimes I don't even want to even say this, but I have to tell you people, make you people see, you should take this guy you see for here. You see my brain? I dey use some well. Like if I did China, like I go do phones, like iPhone, like me, I go to do phone, make people they buy them. If I did China. They can't bomb me for here. Chinese boy, they can't bomb me for Ghana. You people no accept the matter. You see the matter like, which guy be this, which guy be this? Which guy be this? Guy we know how to sign agreements. You want to go back and forth. Guy we, me like I for be lawyer for, my father, you know say, I for be like I for be lawyer. Where is it? Article 114 verse 4 verse, Article 112 verse 3 verse 3, Article 111 with me. The way I don't like mass, like 1 plus mass. Charlie, don't be sad. Mass is difficult. Charlie, plenty of you go here attest to that. Massive Windows can it is boring. But that brain to sit down with somebody and have an agreement so we can do something together, I get them. So when you do your house, or when you as maybe some blogger or some pandit or some howsoever you call yourselves, you talk, you do I say find the meaning of research. Because most of you take some feelings put your inside because they give you light off too much. Mosquito they bite you too much. You know if you buy mosquito spray, your stomach they pain like you don't hung some way, so you can't put that stress. For so successful people like me, I'm talking for every successful person where people need to research about time. Then they see some Sakawa boy, no, they say no, this boy go take blood medicine. Sakawa boy they be name where we they call. Sakawa boy be name where we they call. And no be every boy where they see for road. They do blood medicine, they do this thing, they do that. So keep it. Tell somebody we they watch or they do media and say me to a day my TV station right now, make you can watch me. Because I they speak wisdom. Make they understand. I say research. Research. It be very important word. Wonderland show, which was being organized by our own Sadiq Abubakar, Mr. Sadiq Abubakar, my own learned friend who wants to be a politician. He's trying to be a politician, which is good. You have to be patriotic. He's trying to be, but it's good. Wonderland. Me and Medical Day Kumasi will go perform for Tabia Beaters, I think on the 4th or 3rd or one of the dates of December last year, after we come from jail. I did there. All of you know, you did internet. Those times, Sadiq and me, they go back and forth. I don't know if you understand. I say, Sadiq, you have to take this. I say, Sadiq, why are you there? Like, you the battle me like that, why you be rapper? That alongside. Boys they fight, boys they solve problem, boys they move on. You know, boys they fight, boys they solve problem, boys they move on. That's all I can say. We move on. We move on. A day. That date, 4th or 3rd. Where I get call from Sadiq. Say they do Wonderland show. But I know say the person who sponsor the thing is my man. And my man, we no other man than me now, my mother, Ajia for real, and husband, me I know, or the manager, or wherever you put them. I they talk because you like give title. So wherever you put it, call the man we did work with Ajia for real, in husband, in whatever, Ghana, because people they lie. Every day won't find dictionary. That's what I mean. Don't find dictionary and define things. I don't wipe this thing for me. But I ain't they organize the show. But the man say, listen, the man say, may they put me for the show on. He won't make a day the shoot up. This man, me I sit down, he be very business-minded person. I go feel boldly say, these are one of the people that brainstormed with me when I was building up my Shaxi app. So it's my business partner with me and they. I hope say as I talk, I no shout. I no talk about my try and those things, right? I cannot really shout. And so I hope say they make sense. Because I want make people follow what I talk. Somebody say if I stop music, they not go listen Ghana music again. That is love. I love you. When I finish talk, I just will call some of you people. Make it what I talk. If you be wrong, in terms of Shatta, you be wrong. Because where they go look for money for, can't pay the day, they don't really make noise for them. So Sadiq tell me, say my man, but my man say they for do the show and blah 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 blah. So cool. But me I go take $200,000. Me and medical to go take $200,000. Me I talk for medical. And me and medical. So it be $400,000. You see in this life when you know your worth, people could argue with you about your worth, about God go provide your worth for you. When the no one provide them. So, it go get back to me. You understand me? He called me when he say, my man there, let's me a call him. Because I tell him, he say, you go deal with me. You go talk to me like, you go, I mean, that's like, dealings, you get what I'm saying? So, that's okay. So I did with the man call me. With the man tell me, say, if he help Sadiq them make they do the water land show and stuff like that, right? Sadiq tell him whatever, but he beg me. Listen story, listen. So say, when you put the hear something, we need the research. Then you go find out, because the mistake most people do in Ghana be say, me I get plenty rich men we are the ask them, Chairman, how I go fit do this business? Me and the talk, this be one of the men where me answer that. Me and plenty of my godfather sit down we knock this shaxi up. And these are billionaires in Ghana. Because me if I see billionaire like this, I don't want to ask some money, but I want me to give me sense. Because I get sense, but I don't get plenty sense. So I need extra sense. So say I go fit. So this man call me where he say, even they put money for inside. So, make I just watch him and I make her talk plenty, but I'm not going to do anything. I tell him so, Shama. Say me to my work side this, and that's where I the chop for. You understand me? So if they make requests like this, not be say anything, because the music with the grow for inside and things to go on, and man for just build up, so the brand that's at the grow, you understand me? And so you are the watch am, you make am 150 for him. So me and medical, $150,000, medical, $150,000. We say, oh, medical, Sadiq say he had the deal. You understand? So, you won't make us, because me and him get relationship. And true, me and this nice man get relationship. And people like that, I want to, work with them like that. A man like that, if you see him, going into it, they tell you, say, maybe you want me to can sit someplace for some occasion, we say, in the take $3 million, you go pay him because he get money. That is his worth. So, he talked to me when he say he gave me by the 150. He begged me. I be a man. He know my worth. He know say for pay me more than that. But a whole lot of money go into this, because it be the first time they want to do, and a whole lot of money go into him. And this man, the time where I want to do this shaxi app, he and me go some brainstorming, I know see something before. That's the boy business, If you say go do it, even no get sense, you go fall. He taught me like it touched my mind with business. You know, at the point we talk away times, hey, you pass, Charlie. The app you go fit drop on. Gradually, Ghanaians will understand it. I see some American tone. I love you, man. When I do the Shaxi app, that one, later date, we'll talk about those things more. So, as he talk to me, say, money go inside and things. From me now in month, so you go give me $120,000. Make I come perform for the place there. So, say me I have relationship already, and the explanation you give me, how they get them business here, things will go inside, and anything will talk. I just need to listen them. Bam. It makes Sadiq call me. Sadiq say, oh, the man say he talk to me, but we agree on some amount of money. I say, yeah, we agree on the money. Man, me had the charge because me copyright. Me, I don't know my royalty self recently put here. They say for the past 15 years I sing. It be 30,000 Ghana CD I make. This ring, it cost past my past 15 years. This ring, the cost past that money. So when I did deal with people, I did deal with them the way I would deal with them. That's why I say, me, I know they worry myself with politicians. If politicians do their thing, me, I know they worry because they do their thing. Me too, I get my Shatta movement. That is my Ghana. I'm doing my thing. So I started calling me and say, we deal finish. Me and the man deal finish and stuff like that. So the man said for bringing me money. I say, me, I want my money in cash. You understand me? Full amount. Again, I will tell you people. Agreement is agreement, yo. Agreement is agreement, yo. Without reason for settlement, you don't tell me nonsense. Agreement is agreement, yo. How I want my money, may they give me. Make us say, yeah, because my worth from 200,000 safe. They know the fit, so I consider in an agreement. Make it come to stay. But I think say before even that, because Sadiq was trying to contact us, me, Sadiq, Step, Bulldog, and Medical was in my studio because we wanted to get a date for the show. Last year, December, everybody go feel attest to me that as we come from jail, so yeah, we don't do that since I don't do that since Bob. So as we come from jail, then we they get shows, we just compile on a show, so put for flyer top and things and start blast time, make people see you on shows and stuff like that. So Sadiq can meet me for house. Not with the money first, because we have to decide on a date. We sat down, had a beautiful conversation. We are making no say the dates they do the show. Medical today, that's how they speak this. The day they do the show, it be 3rd, it be 26th and 27th. 26th, then the Green's Lounge tema. They book me a Medical. That might when I go for it, they support me, they do a whole lot of things for me. You know what I mean? A whole lot of beautiful things. I know if you talk anything. You know what I mean? So, it we and get relationship. Me and Medical I get relationship. So he saw into his sort way out. But is if I say I will call money, most of you no go sleep. That's why those people who don't really like Shatta Wale, you no go bed. You go bed. You understand me? But that man book we for 26. Sort me out. That man even he buy Sharks 2 cars. Add the sorting out for me. After they sort me out, they buy me 2 cars. This is everybody don't really find you. Hey, because you know the research, that's why I come live. What I want to explain to people where they go hear me. If what they talk, it be nonsense. I will talk say it be nonsense. That's why I say the right time. What are they talk? The right time. Because I know what are they talk, I don't forget. So this man sought we for 26. So we and Sadiq can agree. Say we could come the show. Oda. Agree. Bí a kì í ná mọ̀ ká gbélé mi náà gbélé lóra. So that guy booked me on the 26th. Then as we and Sadiq and Bulldog and whoever they sit there, studio there, we told them, say no, the thing, if we only 27th, we will play. So we are cool 27th, and you know, we go come and come play the show. So we decide. We have proper conversation. I call this man, I tell him, say, like we agree on the date and everything, 27th, and so yeah, he tell him and everything. So yes, so now he will send me my money. Beautifully done. They send me my money. Wow. Okay. So they send me my money. As they send me the money, I say, oh no, show go on. The day they bring the money, Bulldog, Step, and Sadiq, where they come out. And these are one of the things that will go back to why I know they work with Bulldog again. Because as they bring the money and the contract, the first question I ask Bulldog say, you read the contract, so you read everything perfect. I go perform. I do this job. I know how a day like. So if everything we talk, he did the contract, my manager say, check I'm good. Because I know the agreement way I agree with them. As I mean, there's nothing when I have a show. I know my agreements for the show, so I don't even worry myself with, you know, anything. Yeah, I know say Charlie, the show there will go. Bulldog witnessed the contract and I signed a contract. The aftermath of everything, say if I say I will tell you, go say, hey, but I don't want to make either Sadiq, Step, or Bulldog feel bad. Man is too mature for that. I'm just trying to drive at a point. I'm not talking about me and Sadiq beef or me and Bulldog beef or something. That's why I want you to get the picture clear. So as Bulldog talk, we sign the paper and everything. I get my money. Everybody going away. But I didn't know where I see Waterline people release flyer. Say they perform on the 26th. What was it? No. How? Like, me and you people speak about my show. We get show for Green's Lounge. Like, we say 26, we are booked. So it'll be 27, we will be free. How come? How come? Then you go put me on 26. See how they perform. Then the thing start making the thing say, oh, Sadiq, he and me still know they fine. But because it be the man way they give the money for the show, no, for some, say they for put me for top, no, it piss some off. So as we talk about dates, no, he decide we go put for contract inside 26. Say maybe 26 I go perform. A shock. Something where me and you agree. Say it be 27th. Where I go perform. 27th, where I go perform. Medical day, the medical man waiting. The fans saw it like we post flyers. I don't know. One time, then they talk say, then before we post that flyer, before we post the flyer, man, nigga, if they book me, where they pay me, where I no put date on flyer, you know they there. So you can't come and decide and tell me that because we post flyer, no. Do you know how many shows I got booked before we posted the flyer? Some of the shows, we don't even put the date for the flyer top. So what do you want to tell me? He pay me, bad man. Say, So I reach out to the man. Where I tell the man, say, boss, the thing, the way they happen, you know. If I talk to Sadiko, if he get some plan, say maybe invest for inside, so he won't show you, say me I'm a bad person. Because he won't get me for some corner and make he show me. Man. Where on F, I don't even know F. Where in the world does somebody and you go do agreement like that, then you go change them. Then you feel say you go work for you? No. You see the court and the police station you put the CNT. Don't see it like that. You see policeman. If you go there in the first place, maybe you go slap somebody. They take lead and go report. As you slap the person, they take lead and go report. If they find out, see, if you cause the fight first, unless the person be a relative, where you people go fit solve that thing. Court said the same thing. Court. Agreement. Will always be agreement. Whether written, spoken, or science, it will be agreement. Maza, the team pay me. Say, no, but what picture do you want to paint for this man? Say, maybe the man say me they put him for top. Say, I know them. Sadiq them, I know them. No, me Shatta there actually. The man will touch you. No, it's my guy. Hey, you don't know Shatta. Because the man, he knows how business minded I am. He didn't need the producer job for real in things for him. That boy say people they talk and he be husband and he be boyfriend and me I don't know. All I know say the man he the producer job for real in works. That's all. He had job they work as business. Me that be what I know. Cause I know CC they do wedding. I know that I need to go in house self and see the man for there. Like somebody and his boyfriend or something. I say, also maybe that small beef we can get for internet talk, the entire time, he won't show me something, so he won't do something. I don't understand. We start to go back and forth. We tell them, may they change the date, may they change the flyer. Somebody won't show big man. Me, I make them know, say, so far as I agree with them 27th, I go come. I won't show you for something. 27th, me na my brother, my cousin Willie. As we finish the Grace Lounge show, I send them quickly. Make you go prepare grounds, cause they ain't my road manager. Make you go prepare ground quickly. Make you go prepare ground. They my phone. I go show you people. These are the pictures. They wrote up with the camp. This is Wonderland. They do what boys that. I make it take every picture. I take video CV. If my brother, even if they stand there, take pictures. Me. And I can't continue the story. 27th, me and you agree. Bad man. As I go house, because from the Wonderland, from the Greens Lounge, then they show out to money before we catch ourselves Charlie money. So go outside to go change and make the team more, make everybody go refreshing up because we get show. You know it's you, bad man. They play show today, they play show tomorrow. No easy. Willie call me. They tell me say, they say Sadiq say when we come, make no Shatta movement person come inside the place there. I say, what? And Sadiq immediately made serious with this thing. Do you know how much somebody invest in this show? Where you just they decide for back because you verse. Say your dates where you pick no. Where me and you know agree no. I said, sorry. I said, Willie, find somebody and tell you. Say, oh, they tell the soldier, the military and things all say, if Shatta movement team come there, made it no open. Because my brother Willie, my road manager, anytime I go for show, if I go 2 days ahead, me I do work like American president or Ghana president. Ghana president, if they go someplace, they send for me, they go survey there, where president go sleep, where what president go chop, whoever. It be so, that be how artists they behave like me, and they behave like that. So I said, cool. Make you just go find somebody for them and tell them, say, and that time to call Sadiq, you know, they pick them, the phones have no they go because they sit in the place, their network, you know, they go there. I say, make you look for somebody, make you look for Sadiq, and make Sadiq know, Charlie. The man, they do the show where he talk to me, or that boy, me, I won't come there. So, and that date we agree be 27, make, you know, play that guy. I don't like, because Charlie myself that tire, so I don't like that. They say, if we come, they no go open we. Make they no open we, because that day we no get show. We and them get agreement on the 26th. What's it? What? Before Sadiq, I didn't know you can send me the contract where the date day. I said, Sadiq, why wanna play with us? You won't put man for trouble inside, like you plan your trouble already. We cobble this too, cobble. Yeah, so Charlie. Cobble, Charlie. We buckle for street, so we know, you know, Ajana 1, Ajana 2 life. We know we know a whole lot of things. You understand me? Man bed UTC out. Man, you bed shed inside, but man sleep can tomato shed inside before. You understand? Man get boys for Kokumba, man get boys for Gaskia, man get boys for Zungu Janshi, go check like if you're there, or man get people for Shukura. When I mean boys we they know they play. You understand me? Those days, you will say before, those days we had to go, fraud no day. Fraud no, we know be fraud boys style. It be kwashi, we day. If you go snatch your favorite, I know people they be hard like that for streets. So you see, somebody won't use a wham, Takashi Tatis, some things. And they say like, boy, what are you trying to do? Charlie? Just to break me to the man, say, maybe as the toxic, they for push Shatta, no, Shatta there, he go cause, he will give you trouble. Shatta go give you trouble. That those people your talk. So you try go make date for contract up 26. Make it look like, yeah, me, I'm agree. Today I tell you people, most of you people, all my fans that went to Wonderland, he didn't see me there. That wasn't the agreed date. I no follow. So now when people they do, if you sit down, if you talk, say, how do these people want me to talk to them? Can they hear me? Can they listen to me? Like, I'm speaking the truth. Sometimes if you pay me, that's why when I come online, they shout. Because they pay me, say, Charlie, why people they do like that? Like, what's up? The music said I can't, as they come do me. I don't know anybody. If you know with this lovely fans where I get, who go? I don't know who even help me can reach apart from my fans, thank God. You understand me? Because everybody won't find something, everybody won't find some problem. And so the Wonderland show will not go. Because the message they leave for gate, we say, if Shatta movement come, that was the day where me am agree. Say, make we no enter. I know, I mean, I take my money. I take my money. And that's how the whole thing went. Ghana, I tell you people 2 things. If what I tell you people, we are wrong, make people tell me say they are wrong. And I go accept, say I'm wrong. But if I'm right, I beg, give me fire emoji. Because I know be that bad person where they talk say I be. Just say I dey kick my mind to reality and I dey make sure say I dey live within the time where we dey grow, everybody dey grow. Man, if I start business where I dey make 1 cedi, in the next 10 years I follow dey make 1 cedi again. If I for dey make profit and I dey work hard for the business. You understand what I'm saying? I said, if I'm not wrong, then I won't make you put give me fire emojis. Give me anything, love emojis, fire emojis. Because what are they talk? I won't make people listen to me. Are they like my mind is stress me too much with this whole negative news where people they put around me every time and they say, why these people didn't know research on what I talk right now. Have I done anything wrong on what I've said right now? I do something wrong. Make everybody give me fire emojis. I say, if you believe, say, these 2 stories I tell you, before I go to the Hogbetsotso current story. Agreement. It's always agreement. That's why I say, don't see the police and the soldier and the judge, the judiciary people, don't see them like, they get sense. So you see, most of them are big men, they did the country. Everything they talk. Sometimes if you talk, say, Shatta, you are right. But maybe because you are angry and you are talking, that's why people are misquoting and not understanding what you are saying. I decided I will come live. I know I can't tell anybody, me check, me this, me that, because maybe normal for me, I go feel say, because it be bullshit sometimes when somebody behave with you like that. It be maybe bullshit for me. But I just sit down and I say, all this would they want to take advantage of my shouting and things and paint a certain picture for me. Like I could be speaking like this every day on my Facebook Live and nothing will spoil. I can speak like this every day on my Facebook and nothing will spoil. Whatever you put it, won't try spoil. It no will spoil because I'm human. The way you like maybe beer, or the way you like Hennessy, or the way you like Casapreco, or whatever, or the way that will me to they like the same thing. The way you like girl, that what. So if you bore, we meet to a bore, understand? Say we are human beings. Now when I hear the matter, if you put me off, that come down, they shout for Facebook and shit. People talk say, yeah, by the way they shout, that's why people know they understand me. That's why people know they understand me. I want everybody to listen to me carefully so that nobody will judge me wrongly. Like what they've been doing, like every time they want to put Shatta Wale in the wrong space. So Shatta Wale won't get the right people to work with. Shatta Wale won't meet the right people. Shatta Wale won't get to the right people. But like I always tell you guys, it's God and you, my fans, that have made me who I am today. It's God and you, my fans. I don't have anybody. I don't have anybody. It's just you guys. I don't have a record label. I don't have a record team. I don't have a management team where I wake up. I don't have anything. Anything you see around me, I created it myself. I built it. Like I I made sure I brought people together for us to work. I've been giving people positions in my life and they don't even play that role, but I don't mind. I still move on. It's just that sometimes when they won't play, then my wife go like, yo, as you come my life, you don't do anything for my life. If I call you my manager, my PA, my branch manager, my publicist, my this, my that. With respect to, I was saying Chris Connie. I get what I'm saying. Me and Chris Connie, the work. And Chris Connie know they give me problem because there's some cool, educated man where Chris Connie don't like shout even. Every time one can bring business and go, come make we share money and go. But it's sad when people want to put me in a certain box that I don't want to be. It's very sad. All because as I talk right now, someone again I say, I did pretend. You see Ghana, you just say some of you don't get parental care. So sometimes you don't get sense for whom. So when you come here, Facebook, as I did Facebook right now, everything we do go on right now, Facebook they monetize them for me. I they make money from them. Ask yourself, say, are you making money? You can't dare somebody they talk sense, then one can't talk. Forget that your matter self. Maybe go see they give you like tough for ourselves. Akufo go make you suffer, you and your family. So make I continue. So that be how the thing ends. So yeah, we no go Wonderland show. They say we go court. Yes. The judge and the court, they listen matter. Don't think because you are going to do a contract. So so because the contract, because no. You know deal like that for court. Don't see him like that. You know deal like that for court. You know deal like that for court. As I talk, somebody say lawyers they read contracts for people. Bro, this is my work. I've been doing this work for like 20 years now. I know much about this work more than you. Maybe if you get lawyer way, if I read contract for you, maybe they go buy land. Then one day you go, if you make me, if I get land, where they buy away those things, those agreements, those things. And lawyer, they can't read that side because I don't know those things. But see, when it comes to my work, now if you have time and read full contracts, now they read wow. That's what most people even don't know. You understand? So that be how this thing all go. The next one is the Hogbetsotso recently we ago. Bad man. One of the talk, make you put the right arm down. Cause see this Shatta Wale guy you see for here. You know be underground artists. You know be upcoming artists. I be Shatta movement, field marshal, flight lieutenant. When I be a full commander in chief, like I be a whole president in my realms where I dey with my fans. Let me say I president so I disrespect somebody or sometime. I don't disrespect no president. I just be myself. And I'm working in my lane. This Wonderland show that they can do. My godfather is Bola. Shout out to Bola. Bola call me, say some people want to do some show, blah, blah, blah. So I get this my business manager with me and they work. And I don't want to disclose his name. Bola talk to me. The thing I tell him, say, Bola, yeah, I could take $200,000. Be say I record that money because that be where I catch for my life. That be how much money I for charge for my life. God tell me, be man way for tell me. Where I catch with my career, that be how much I for charge. Because I charge everything campaign. Me I charge, make artists self the charge. We artists know the fit tell me thank you. You understand? Because they be me, through me, they hear say they call money. If you go talk this or somebody go talk, say, why are you saying this? Is not Let's continue the story. So Bola called me at tell him say 200,000. And I want to make him brief for all of you. $200,000. Wait time say they put they don't get money and things and I for look up and Bola, yes, he's been giving me a couple of businesses here and there, so blah blah. I feel so okay, cool. Say beg me that people he want me to go the show for him and stuff like that. I said, no, go for that, you know. I don't go for that, it don't be anything. I'll be your godson, it don't be anything. So if maybe those kind of things, how much the people get? See they post they get 200,000 Ghana cedi. Charlie. Sometimes you go follow cheap money. Then the cheap money, you could give you some nonsense name, bad name. And master, careful of the money you go take. Because sometimes your money you go take maybe this kind of things. And Shatta, and they say Shatta, and this one say Shatta, and this one say Shatta, and this one say Shatta. They say like, yo, do you guys know what an agreement is? Me, if you do good, then the thing them bad. Bullet time, I said, no, cool, go for that. Because it be you. I don't know anybody from the Ebony company where I go talk, say, they reach out to me personally, or maybe the CEO said, say, they won't see me, or them a marketing department say they won't see me, or them a what department say they won't see me. I want to listen to Bulare because he had some business to do with these people. And that is how I support my godfathers. Like, yeah, I for listen to them and just go do for them beautifully. So they can't agree. But I tell them, say, Bola, they say we go radio. I say, Bola, me this year they do. You just one radio station to go because the money serve where they give me self challenge. That don't be what I charge. So I don't want long thing. I agree and everything, whatever they do and everything. Yes, they drop some cash. Say cool. And there's normal money for me because me self the money I look at no be, you know. But they will the time say I for go one interview for them. They are not on go because me the way the media they handle things and things. So me I like choose people who I want go my interview with. But they tell me so it be Captain Smart. And I respect Captain Smart so much. So as I hear say Captain Smart, so I don't meet Captain Smart. He's one of the people I watch, you know, online and I feel, you know, he's like doing good, you know, for the motherland and he's patriotic and I like patriotic people. So I said, oh, if it be Captain Smart, make I go there and make me have vibe. Beautiful. So I go to interview because of Captain Smart and also to promote the Hogbetsotso air for the airborne people and stuff like that. Beautiful. Because Bola tell me, say, you know, I forgo the interview for them. Be beg. If I go this one, I know we'll do any other one. Maybe any other one say it will be phone call or something. I said, oh, cool. I'll go to the interview, we finish everything. I just come home. I say, what are the talk? If they follow them and they understand, give me fire emojis. Charlie, I try too much. I don't know how I will talk matter gimmick. People just understand me. I try too much. Mama, I try to make money. That's what I try to teach most of you. So I beg, give me fire emoji. So I go to the interview. We finish the interview nicely for Captain Smart. Yeah. So just get ready to go to Hogbetsotso and go have fun. Saturday morning, we make ready, me and my team. With the wait, we say by 12, then we leave. Then, you know, we just get there. And just, you know, do whatever we do best. As you come out, don't be say as you come out. Me, I come out from my house, my door in front for my poolside there, where I call my business manager. enjoyed. With my road manager now. Joyd has been my road manager like for years, and I still want him to be like that. So, for me, I have some problems, and I see. I say no, cool. Maybe he still continue because he's good with that, you know. I told Joyd, my business manager, say, I beg when we go, no interview, no we they go greet chief and things, because I get show evening, I go tired, go greet. The Ebony people, they only contracted me to come and do a show, performance. Again, I go sing that song for you people. Agreement is agreement, yo. Agreement is agreement, yo. We don't really for settlement. You don't tell me nonsense. Agreement is agreement, yo. The interview people won't make I do them for Accra. The money we I want self, I no get. But because of respect, through a godfather, that boy I take up this mantle and say, yo, let me just do it for the love. Because I don't know what my godfather and the company to get with, they go fi do. Maybe some business in future still will affect me, because if my godfather win, me too, I win. But like, no be me and my only godfather. Plenty artists that my godfather way he did it. He did big man. Like be America, like that's a demon dash in our industry. That's a whole, you know, Rockefeller CEO or something, Charlie, or Rock Nations, something CEO we did it. So he's been doing good for some of us, you know. I tell them from my house in front, say, when we go, we know they go greet chief, we know they go radio station. When we, because it be long journey, when I catch, I won't enter my hotel. At least freshen down. If me I decide, say I won't go radio station, listen to what I talk, because you know they me and them no agree. Me, I don't know who I talk to, me and them agree that thing. Ghana. Sometimes you put the door and make this music thing they look like I chose the wrong profession. But I know I didn't choose the wrong profession, dog. I chose the right profession for people that want to listen to me and get motivated. I like where God has positioned me in my life, because I've gotten so many haters. I've gotten so many people that have so many evil news about me. Like, people hear a whole lot of things, but I thank God. Say the ones that want to learn and listen to me, learn and listen to me. Boy, you know, you believe say we catch the town there. We catch Kita, they roam with we, and I know say they watch it. You know, say I like true. I like true money. Where am I see my fans? I like true money, but my feeling no tell me say make a true money. 1, 2. And they see I'm like, why we catch the time inside we with the room for the town where I don't understand. Like, I don't understand with the room, because the room with the room, nobody knows it. Then we want to convoy, because the whole lot of convoy, and they just see a Santini and convoy can pass. Then maybe some ministers of my convoy can pass. So nobody even know who they pass, because I don't come out myself. Don't be sad, when I see things like this. I tell myself, what's the next generation? And the next generation they go to tire, because some of them, they don't know this thing they pass through. They don't know this thing where they pass through, so they go come follow something and they go to tire. We say musicians in Ghana will find this video educative and get my clear picture so they can stand on their feet and take bold decisions for themselves. Let me continue. They room with you for the town, they room with you for the town, they room for actually, let me catch the town there. Like before, take me go hotel safe, make I go, pack my things, put them down, at least, and decide if me now want, because if I see the feeling for the town, me say, Charlie, maybe playboy already. So I say, Charlie, we go enter town, go throw some money small, and make a post say we enter town. You understand that kind of feeling? They drive with it. Boy, say, as they drive, what I see, they take me go enter radio station. Oh, once again, agreement is agreement, yo. Agreement is agreement, yo. Without reason for settlement, you don't tell me nonsense. Agreement is agreement, yo. As I say, they go enter the radio station. Once say the car with me at the inside, I say, me the driver no follow the cars with the enter the radio. Make move, go someplace, go park. Where I call my business manager and my road manager, Joey. What I tell them, say, what they happen here? What I tell them before we can't catch later. What go come out in my mouth? Take pen and paper and write. Take pen and paper and write, please. So see, nobody go they come talk anything. You understand me? Nobody go they can say it. But man, if you say something about somebody where you don't know, it be sin. The Bible, maybe they want me God do something for you. Maybe they talk about me too much, so they get out. Let's start learning, nigga. Nigga, me I dey make money. Me I can't make money. Me we play. I can't play. I can't make money. I can't make serious. I can't make serious with my work. So from bandana days, the things I learn, I come back. I say no. I want to make this thing make money. And God never disappointed me. So take pen and paper and write what they can't speak now. So I call them. Say, I don't tell them, say, when we come here, I beg. It be show where they contract me for. We know they go great chief and those kind of. I go tired. The shows every evening, Charlie. I know how people they love me, and I know if I have to get into the crowd, Charlie. Sometimes before your voice up, everybody go to talk to you. My voice all go to strain. Right now, if I go stage, if I don't go fish out. So I wanted to keep that energy for my lovely people of Water. As I ask them that question, say, be this I tell you from a cry before we catch here. They say one of the organizers or whatever, they part of the show people, say me, if I no go come the radio station, then they no go take me go my hotel. That be one. Bam, bing, 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 bing. Alarm. Hey. I say, you say what? If you know go take me go, if I know go come to the radio station, so make I pack my luggage where I take from Accra. All come the radio station. Master, make I take my luggage, all come the radio station. Then come do radio interview. Then if I finish, boy, me and you all day Ghana. Me and you all day Ghana. Ask yourself, is that how they treat the foreign artists? When they from airport, no, they take them go radio station because the Martins, then they take the Martins or they pack them a luggage. So you see live band. Then some artists if you come Ghana, then you see they come play live band and some international artists go then they get live band for the car in backup where the live band or they pack up, then they take go radio station. They must stay. So if they come Ghana, say they bring stage. Some of them they carry the stage, then they catch radio station. Yeah, the artists come in stage all day there. Then the stage cast did the route up. Then they carry come radio station. Then the artists maybe they say Usher they can't Ghana, Usher they can't perform. Then they carry Usher carry the stage and the band and the sounds and in dresses and in everything. Ow, unim yami aden na mu yami basa. Aden. Why you put the respect Ghana artist one beat like that? Why? What we do, you people? The next thing will come out be say the show self they no buy ticket. You put this, the videos he come out, you post see the people they did there. The guy see the show self they no buy ticket. So if I know come the hotel, if I know come the radio station, there's no way you go take we go the hotel. Whatever I go do, make I do. Yes, I did whatever I did. And my fans will never be pissed. I did whatever you want me to do, no, I do no. I do one. If you do that thing, if you say you win, or you want to show Shatta Wale say you be hard guy. Charlie, if I talk hard guy, not be hard guy, so I for go fight somebody and beat somebody and get law, or go kill somebody and I come internet up, I go slap somebody. If you only my bodyguard way in babe, you do mistake for stage. He said me I have agreement. That's why I chop one thing. Now I say we party slap where I don't slap one way. Cause if for work. I beg, where I reach right now, if you say what I talk, it be wrong. Don't give me fire. But if you say what I talk is right, give me fire. And just tell me say I try. Ayo, aigbe nyoba kesani ba moko nyewe ayo. Obi asubo nobody go fit talk with the kill our future ayo. Aigbe nyoba kesani ba moko nyewe ayo. Them never talk say Shatta be good always I be bad. But I for win award for just being me. No be today where we start this thing. Them they die when I say I be the dance on king. And I know say them they like my thing. Make I repeat them again, nobody can stop me. My mind that they use high time key. In your blood face when me just say thing. Nobody in your blood face where I just talk the truth. I say if I they lie. What I talk. Bad man, don't seem like you be SM fan, so you be gentle. Don't talk like you be SM fan, so you want support. Maybe I do something foolish, then you say be foolish, no, they tell me. Charlie, if you be foolish, tell me be foolish. Tell me, say what I do be foolish. I see, nobody they write foolish for you. Everybody say I try. And this matter, I don't want ball for him. Because they pain my fans sometimes, say, how? I can't make a open gentle. Make people they give me fire, I beg. Okay. How you go fit tell artists like that? See, you can't catch down. It means you don't care about my welfare, you don't care about my health, you don't care about the risk where I take travel from Accra to Kita to go and perform for people that my pickings way. For years they wait to see Shatta Wale. You don't care. You don't even respect the people of Volta. Me, I'm from Volta region. My mother be Ewe, my father be Gan. I say if I don't try, make people advise me. Because every time they say me I'm mad, I dey do cocaine, I dey do this, Shatta go beat you, Shatta go do this, Shatta go do that. Why? What I do with people, all because I dey speak the truth, or because I want make the right things get done. I carry cross, my guy. Carry cross. And that cross too heavy. I dey tell God, say if this is my cross, make a carry. Because I'm proud to say God in cross where I dey carry. Like how Jesus Christ carry cross. I won't carry. Because I decide I go speak the truth, and the truth make I get so many enemies. I have so many enemies, so many who come against me. They talk about me and say, Jah will not help me. But I'm not afraid of the 1,000 enemies. Yes, I trust in the Lord for his safety. Jah give me strength and power. That's why I got enough security. So I have given all my life to God. I am forgiving all my enemies now. Because it's too late to apologize. Too late to apologize. Apologize. I have given all my life to God. I am forgiving all my enemies now. It's too late to apologize. Too late to apologize. Apologize. It's bad. It's bad. It's bad. You understand me? It's bad. And nobody go if you can explain this story for anybody for anywhere. Make it look like I talk one side story. I tell you fact. I tell you that boy I give you 3 instances. That boy they sing. Agreement is agreement, yo. Agreement is agreement, yo. Without reason for settlement, you don't tell me nonsense. Without reason for settlement. Without reason for settlement. What is a settlement? That as I go to Kita, you know if you take go hotel, make I go wash down. Come play with me, pamper me. Because that if you people put money into that thing, help me out. Let's build something together. All people go talk, you say, and I come, they say make I go radio station. Where I say I no go, where I go house. How unprofessional. Shatta Wale. They say make you go radio station. I say I no go, so I go house. Sometimes when you put the talk, people for the careful of what they talk about. They fight you, they fight me or say, I know we'll get record label. I know we'll get management. I know we'll get this. Nigga, my fans, they here. They go support me. So for your information, if they hear anything, if they listen to anything, if people they tell people anything, nobody go, you can tell me say, so my fans did. My fans don't know say this thing they happen. Like them say they go beat the guy talk that they go beat him. My fans they don't know. The fans for water don't know say as Shatta can be said no we even place make it sleep. For my own motherland. Hey Charlie. For me, my own motherland. I know say there's a whole lot of fights in Ghana here. If you only Shatta Wale where they compare him to any artist who will come out. Or because they want to find a new Shatta Wale for some people where they be fans of music. So they want to find new Shatta Wale. Me and my fans, we say for die. Me and my fans, we say for die. Because you see my fans, they believe in the right thing. And that's what they talk. That's what they talk. I call Captain Smart. Who I tell him, say, Captain Smart, I come your interview where we talk about this program. As a professional journalist, at least, you for call me and ask me, say, what go on for there? But because they give them fake news, to come say, Shatta, be careful, Shatta, be careful, Shatta, be careful. Nigga, I know my left from my right. Nobody talks if I dey do agreement. I know how I do. See, I did travel for this road for 20 years. This music road. As they hear say I leave, where they come Accra, that be when I get text. That be when they send. I go show you people, make people understand something. See, they won't pay me 150,000 extra. Make I come back. That time me I catch Accra. Come, they won't pay me. It not be about the money. Oh. I like money, but you see, it not be about the money. It be about the respect. It be about the respect for Ghana artists. The way you put they treat Ghanaian artists. Don't be so they treat foreign artists. And I wonder why you can't love your own, but you love another. It's a sin, my brother. It's a sin. I want to show you something. I want to show you what they sent to my business manager. I want to make you all read. Read them. I'm going to make you all read. How they come? They write something for them. Make you all read. What's the right for it? Make people read them and get them. As they mess up, we they know say maybe they my investors or whatever. As I ask $200,000, you put no fee pay. But as you guys fuck up, you tell my business managers, they tell your man say we dey beg, we go pay them extra 150,000 Ghana cedi. It no be about the money, it be about respect. It no be about the money, it be about respect. As you people mess up, where they go? If you say Shatta they like money, me some monies they say, me some show self they come where they forget the money. Because the money say they say be evil money. Me, I be like that. Ask people where they know me, they go tell you. Ask people, shows where I turn down. Some monies, ask, they go tell you. Say, I no go take. Oh, Charlie, you plenty money, I no go take. Because it no be about the money, it's about the fans. Oh, somebody said turn the phone upside down. Oh, but no, as I tell, okay, make I tell her. If I tell her like this, people go see what I. Oh, let me go. But this one will be upside down. Well, why not turn the phone upside down? Or as I take the phone face, why not you put it see? Charlie, I not do science, so this gravitational force or geographical force. You put a V read, make sure the phone is standing upside down again. You can't see. Make I attend the phone. Okay, make I attend the phone. Like, by the first time you saw attend the phone, because no, make I tell people. Sometimes people, so that this might be science. I don't know. Maybe if you guys know, I could share this thing. I could post this thing after this video. I could post it on Facebook, so you guys have a fair idea of what I'm talking about. It's not about the money, but it's about how we treat people. Show respect. How you go bring international artists from America or Jamaica or UK or something. Then from airport, they pack in live band, everything. Then you put take and go interview. Can you do that? He's back. Make I read the thing. They say, Charlie, we are sorry for everything. We are sorry for everything. Didn't mean to take you to the station. I don't know why my team still did. We are willing to pay 150K extra. Please beg your man. I'm reading it again. Charlie, we are sorry for everything. Didn't mean to take you to the station. I don't know why my team still did. We are willing to pay 150K extra now. Please beg your man. This one, they no can't tell you people. This one, they no can't tell you people. They say me. I say me go radio station. I say I no go the radio station where I come Accra. Hey, Shatta Wale, they love him fans. You see, if you be Shatta Wale fan, this industry people, did they try? play a game to win my fans for other artists, I don't mind. You know what I'm saying? I don't mind. Because the money I make, maybe now you go take some underground artists, they can't compare me. Charlie, before you go catch my 20 years, and it means you pray wow. You understand me? Because this journey, be small journey, especially Ghana music journey. You get me? So don't be a victim and join those people and make they tell you lies. Before just learn. Before just learn. You get me? Before just learn. All these things. No be saying man need money. All these things. No be saying no be anything. You understand me? We dey fight material things too much and it worry we. You understand? I no come for certain monies, evil monies in my life. I came to do God's work. So when I'm telling you about my worth, please pay attention to it. I beg you. People should stop the negative news and rumors and lies. It's not working. That's why you guys see me shine every time. That's why you guys see me rain every time. That's why you see the streets love me every time. That's why Ghanaians love me. Majority of Ghanaians love me. Nobody knows, because I'm always real to people. I want to talk to people like this. So now you guys, they make her get pissed. But right now, as I say, if you show you guys want play game, I go talk, make people hear me, and make people understand my stories. People worry me too much. Why? Why you go fit tell a whole artist like me, where I build brand for 20 years, you can't tell me, say, yo guys, I gotta find something to do. I just come on the side there where I just can do some business. I have to go. And I'll advise every promoter or every company that if you want to work with Shatta Wale, I have people I can refer to so they can have your show well planned for you. Don't go and bring industry people that hate me, that have certain feelings about me. I don't know what feeling they have because they were Okasano. Today, I've taken my time to speak to you people like brothers and sisters. I've taken my time to calm myself down to talk to you, and I could be doing that every day because that's what I do when I'm not on Facebook screaming and shouting like that. You think if I go out and I'm behaving like this, you think I'll make money? No. I want you guys to learn something. That never judge a book by its cover. I could always speak like this to everybody. I could talk to people like this. I could wake up every time and they won't be shouting. They won't be, oh my, me try with true moon, those things. I won't say them. But sometimes you guys make me get pissed. You guys get me pissed. I love you guys. And I thank you guys that as I watch even my comments, nobody even they talk say, Shatta, try. Everybody say I try, I over try. And I know it's not only Shatta movement fans, but people who are wise enough to listen to stories like this. What you people do? Me now will go play show for Water Region free. You people leave a cry, you won't go collect Water Region people money, 20 Ghana city. You see how people come there with your 20 Ghana city, see how people even come there. Me I will go do free show for water. Make I tell them. Say no promoter, go if you can't spoil me and water people them are inside. Industry people, what you did there, stop that. Because the Shatta you are fighting cannot be fought anymore. Stop that. Because the Shatta Wale you are fighting cannot be fought anymore. And I'm telling you, trust me, The fans love me. Whatever you do or whatever you don't do, the fans love me. And they're going to stay with me. They say for die. Now they don't say for life. When I say Shatta movement, they say for die. Can't you see they call me king? Do you know who a king is? A king speaks wise. And that's what I'm trying to teach you people. That I could get mad every time and come on here and come and say whatever. Before I go leave, make I play you this song before I leave. Make people just believe and love, understand me. Understand me? Yeah. The lashes, but I no cry. 10 years burial, but I no die. Take what's rightfully mine. Take what's rightfully mine. But that aside, you don't know me. You for cuckoo. As a Disney, bigger than your cuckoo. Stubborn Academy, we like to shoot you. One bullet, I say, Charlie, it go make you poo-poo. On the bicycle, so take a trailer. And I'll be famous like Mali and the Whalers. I know the keys ask for call your favors. Nobody bigger than God, Jehovah. Eh. You know go show me nothing. Bring us and bring my notice. On God, me I promise. You will be the hour of the day. If you don't know, you will ask, stop brushing. This teeth you they see need brushing. On God, me I promise. You will be the hour of the day. 20 million years, you know if you stop me. I am the news and I'll make you keep talking. How many years you want to block me? I'm like the air, you know if you catch me. This fucking beats me, I play make I take fuck off some sellouts. Them be hungry beings, me I say I dey America, come fight me here now. So you know they say people love me. You know she say I dey live in luxury. We know all of you, you be hungry for this industry. Hey, you know go fi show me nothing. Bring horse, I go bring my 30s. On God, me I promise. You will be the hour of the day. If you don't know, you for us, stop rushing. This teeth, they see need brushing. On God, me I promise. You will be the hour of the day. Sabotage, then try sabotage. I don't be your puppy. Agenda, everyday agenda. $5,000 for just my cigar. All of you know be hustlers. You don't get orthopedic, better change your mattress. Send who you want, send and I go back. I don't do girls. Hey, I dey repeat, I don't be industry boy. So anything with me I say, I don't do watch TV or radio. I say fuck your girls. Yeah, you know go be show me. Bring us, I go bring my 30s. On God, me I promise. Hey. If you don't know if I ask, so you go be the hour of the day. On God, me I promise. You go be the hour of the day. You know go please show me nothing. Bring horse, I go bring my 30s. On God, me I promise. You go be the hour of the day. If you don't know you for ask, stop rushing. This teeth they see. On God, me I promise. I thank you guys, man. Everybody, make everybody have good nights. I'm happy you guys all have listened to my stuff. I've said what I have to say. And I believe most of you that will learn from it will learn from it. Most of you that don't understand it, small time, you understand what life is. I love you guys. And have a safe night. Love you. One. Shatta movement for die.